Mini MossTerrarium. Pin cushion moss. Wood moss. Small glass bottle. Add activated carbon to purify the water in the terrarium. Then add small gravel layer. It helps in draining excess water. Add a layer of fine sand. Now add terrarium substrate. It should be more nutritious to the plants. Also, it should have ability of water retain. Place the substrate using a small brush. Then carefully place the moss in the bottle. Now place small pebbles in the terrarium. I place these pebbles like a small footpath. Now spray some water to avoid drying the moss. Then knit springtails. I use wooden lid as a lid of this terrarium. Finally, close the lid and place the terrarium under a bright light source. Don't place the terrarium under direct sunlight because it can cook your plants. Thank you.